Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine at your place. Students, today we are going to learn how to construct a triangle when two sides and one angle is given. So, we are going to start with exercise 10.3, question number 1. It is construct triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 5 centimeter, DF is equal to 3 centimeter and measure of angle EDF is 90. This M means measure. Measure of angle EDF is equal to 90. Now, whenever we have to construct a triangle, what is the first step? First step is to make the rough figure. By free hand you will make a rough figure. Now we can see our one angle is 90 degree. So it means our triangle will be a right angle triangle. So I have drawn a right angle triangle. Now see. Measure of angle EDF is 90. It means this 90 degree is at what point? It is at point D. It is at point D, right? So E and F we can take anywhere. So it means this is 90 degree. What else is given? DE is 5 centimeter. DF is 3 centimeter. This is our rough figure. Now we have to construct it by using compass, pencil, scale, right? I will be explaining and you will be making side by side in your notebook, right students? So what is the first step? First step is to make the baseline, and whenever you have to make a baseline, it should have any measurement. You cannot draw a baseline without any measurement, right? So now here in this question, DF is 3 centimeter. So we will draw, first of all we will draw 3 centimeter line segment by using a scale. By using a scale, you will first of all draw a line segment of 3 centimeter, right? Now next step. Next step is, we can see we are having 90 degree angle at point D. Now you all know how to make 90 degree angle. 90 degree angle will be made by using compass. If you will make it by using protractor, you will not get the marks. So 90 degree angle will be made by using compass. What you will do? You will open the compass of any radius, right? So you have to open the compass of any radius, right? Any radius means चाहे आप थोड़ी खोलो चाहे थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा, जितने आपको कन्वीनियंट लगे उतनी आपने कंपास खोलनी है. You have to open your compass of any radius and then you have to keep it at point D. You have to keep your compass at point D and then you have to make an arc like this. Right? What you have to do? You have to open your compass of any radius, keep at point D and then like this make an arc. Right? Then with the same radius means जितनी आपकी compass खुली है, with the same radius you will draw 60 degree angle. You will keep your compass at point O, then you will make 60 degree angle. Then you will make from 60 degree, you will make 120 degree angle like this, right? You all know how to make 90 degree. Then from 60, one arc here. Then from 120, you will intersect this arc and then by using a scale, you will join D point to that arc and then this is your 90 degree angle, right? What you will do? You will open your compass of any radius. Then from point O, you will make 60 degree angle. 60 say 120. Then from that 60, one arc upside. From 120, the other arc intersecting the previous arc. And then where these two arcs are intersecting, you will make a line passing through this intersection point and you will join it to point D. This is your 90-degree angle, right? Now, what is the next step? The next step is to get point E. Point E. Now we can see from our rough figure that point E is 5 centimeter away from point D. The distance between E and D point is 5 centimeter. For that, what you will be doing? You will open your compass of radius 5 centimeter, right? And students, then you have to open your compass of radius 5 centimeter. Then always you have to start from point 0. Like your scale is like this. 0, 1, 3, 4, 2, right? So you have to start from 0. You have to start measuring 5 centimeter from 0. So what you will do? You will open the compass of radius 5 centimeter, and by taking D as center. By taking D as center means you will keep your compass at point D. 5 centimeter of compass is open. Keeping the compass at point D, you will make an arc. It will come like this. It will come like this. And where this 90-degree angle and this arc is intersecting, that is point E. Now with the scale, you will join EF, right? So therefore, this is the triangle DEF, where DE is 5 centimeter, DF is 3 centimeter, and angle EDF is 90 degree, right? So students, these are the steps of constructions of question number 1 we have done right now. We will discuss it once again. First of all, you have to draw a line segment DF of 3 centimeter. Then second point, draw an angle of 90 degree at point D. That I have told you. You have to make an angle of 90 degree, right? 90 degree angle at point D. Then open your compass of radius 5 centimeter, and with D as a center, draw an arc intersecting 90 degree angle at point E. It means you will open your compass of radius 5 centimeter. Then with the D as center, you will make an arc of 5 centimeter at a distance of 5 centimeter, and you will mark it as point E. And then you will join EF. Then what is the next step? Join EF. Thus triangle DEF is the required triangle, right? So these are the steps of constructions which you have to write along with question number 1, right? You have to write these steps of constructions along with the question number 1. Next question, question number 2. Construct an isosceles triangle in which length of each side is 6.5 centimeter and angle between them is 110 degree. Now, what type of triangle it is? It is an isosceles triangle. We know what is an isosceles triangle? A triangle in which two sides are equal, that is known as isosceles triangle. So we have to construct now an isosceles triangle. For that, we will make first of all the rough figure. No name is given to this triangle, so we will give the name to this triangle from our side, ABC. Now what they are saying, that in which length of each side is 6.5 centimeter. Two sides are 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. The angle between that two line segments is 110 degree. Now which two sides we will take? Equal sides. This one BC and one this AB, right? Any side out of this AB and AC, any side you can take 6.5 centimeter. So I am taking BC and AB as 6.5 centimeter and the angle between them is 110 degree. So this is our rough figure. Very easy question, right? Now see how to construct it. first of all, what you will be doing, you have to draw a line segment BC 6.5 centimeter. So you will draw 6.5 centimeter line segment with the scale, right? Now next step is to make 110 degree at point B. Now 110 degree, it will be made by using compass or protractor. So 110 degree will be made by using a protractor, because we know the number which is divisible by 15, that is always made by compass, right? So 110 degree is not divisible by 15, means 110 degree does not come in the table of 15. So it means it will not be made by compass, we will make it by using the protractor. So now, where you have to make 110 degree? At point B. You will keep your protractor here. Now, you know, you have your protractor like this. This is the center, 0, 180, and then you have 180 and 0, right? If 0 is from this side, then the inner angle here it will come 180, and if 0 is outside, then outside angle here it will come 180. So now you have to, how you all know how to use the protractor. You will keep this center point of the D at point B. Now your line segment is towards the right hand side. So whatever protractor you are having, you will see that on the right hand, you will see the 0 of the right hand side of the protractor. Okay? You will see the 0 which is on the right hand side of the protractor as your line is going towards the right from point B. So 110 degree will be somewhere here, and then by using a scale, you will get point here somewhere. Then by using scale, you will draw an angle of 110 degree, right? 110 degree you will make. Now next step is to get point A. Now you can see distance of A from B is 6.5 centimeter. So again, what you will do, you will open your compass of radius 6.5 centimeter. How much? 6.5 centimeter compass you will open, and with B as a center, you will make an arc. B पे रख के arc लगाओगे, right? And this is your point A, where 110 degree and 6.5 centimeter arc will intersect. That is point A. Then you will join AC by using scale, right? So this is 6.5 centimeter, this will also be 6.5 centimeter, and this is 110 degree angle. So therefore this is the required isosceles triangle ABC. So the steps of construction for this question you will be writing yourself. Now the third question, construct triangle ABC with BC 7.5 centimeter, AC 5 centimeter, and measure of angle C is 60 degree. For this, first of all, we will make a rough figure, right? A, B, C. A, B, C. You can take in any order. Now, what is given? BC is 7.5 centimeter. AC is 5 centimeter. Now, you have to keep one thing in your mind, like you have been given BC, measurement of BC and measurement of AC. But measurement of AB is not given. So you cannot keep this AB at the base. Like this. AC 5, BC 7.5. You cannot make the rough figure like this. because you have not been given the measurement of AB, and without the base measurement you cannot construct the triangle. You cannot make any line segment from your own wish, right? So you cannot take AB at the base. Either you can take BC or you can take AC, it is your wish. So I have taken BC at the base. BC 7.5 centimeter, AC 5 centimeter, and what is the measure of angle C? It is 60 degree. It is 60 degree. Now we will make the fair figure. For that, what you have to do? You have to first of all draw a line segment CB 7.5 centimeter, right? First of all, you will make a line segment CB 7.5 centimeter. Then next step is to make 60 degree angle at point C. Now again, you will open the compass of any radius. You will keep it at point C. Then you will make an arc like this, right? Then again, keeping the compass at point O, you will make 60 degree angle. You all know how to make 60 degree angle, right? So then this is 60 degree. Then with the scale, you will join this 60 degree and this point C, right? 60 degree and this point C you will join and you will make 60 degree angle. Next step is to find point A. Now the distance of A from C is 5 centimeter. So now what you will do? You will open your compass of radius 5 centimeter and with C as a center, you will make an arc, and now this is your point A. Now with the scale, you will join AB. So now this is your required triangle ABC. So see again what we have done. We have first of all made BC 7.5 centimeter. Then you made an arc from point C. Then 60 degree angle. Made the 60 degree angle. Then open the compass of radius 5 centimeter. With C as center, make an arc. This is your point A. Then join AB. So students, these were the 3 questions which are in exercise 10.3, and all the 3 questions you have to do in your fair notebook. So do the practice of all the 3 questions and take care. Thank you.